All right, we're looking at a 32 Ford two-door sedan. All the metal work's been done. This is a project. It's sold on a bill of sale only. It's part of a collection here. Just something that was never finished. He started. All steel body, all steel fenders. They've brought the fenders together with the running board, so a one-piece fender running board up front here. It's been chopped about 3.5 inches. We'll have some more details at Spuds Garage, who did the metal work. It comes with all the bows for the headliner here, or the roof panel. Comes with a pedal assembly. It has a aluminum center section housing, 9-inch rear differential, 4-bar rear suspension, coilover shocks in the back. Chassis all been boxed and put together. Again, all steel. Huge tires on the back here. The roof panels have been filled, or has been filled. Roof panels, panel. All the metalwork's professionally done. It's prepped. There are extra parts that come with it, like we talked about: the bows, pedal assembly, headlight bar. There is no grill.
Brand new aluminum tank.
Aluminum fuel tank for it. Has a drop tube axle up front, chrome tube axle, so old school, drag school. Kind of a pro street feel to this. Anyway, give us a call. Bill of sale only.